snacks we only have when we're in this van. Promise.
Come along this week as we take our camper van into the national forest of Khao Sok as a part of a bigger road trip including islands, birthday celebrations, godly food and sweaty workouts. It's gonna be a good one, so let's go.
So we just got to the spot, Khao Sok National Forest. Whether that's some sort of frog or a bird, or probably not a bird, maybe some sort of frog. Haven't heard that one before. Have you heard this sound before? It's 9:30 p.m. Super tired.
Which is a good time.
The car is parked here in the middle of this little field, and we're gonna get ready to sleep because we're so tired. Do you have anything to say to anyone out there?
Thank you for watching our videos.
Shower mission. Everyone that's watching they have wear gloves as well. As you probably guessed, this bed arrangement I have here is probably not the best. Jan's is a little bit better over here.
Mine's actually great.
Yeah, it's easy when you are
5'2".
We don't use those measurements in the real world. Here we use centimeters and meters. 159. And it is 174 going across, and I'm 182. So I got this bed, which is okay for now. I'm going to improve it, but for now, it's gonna have to do. Good night. See you in the morning. Good morning. Another night, another subpar sleep for me. What was a little bit different this night was that we actually slept without the aircon most of the night, which is very interesting because the aircon is the one thing that makes sleeping in that van absolutely miserable. At least that aircon, because it just sort of makes so much noise and shakes the whole van. Doesn't look too bad, does it? 1 hour and 20 minutes deep sleep, 7 hours. Well, it's registered 7 hours of sleep, but I've definitely been awake more than those few times my watch has registered that I've been awake. But still, I'll take it. Proper dip in HRV though. Anyways, here we are inside Khao Sok National Park. We're here for one night in combination with a bigger trip. The place we're at is called Toh Tao Homestay. There you go. But there's no signal. That's amazing. Like, we're so far into Khao Sok that there's no phone signal. That's exactly what you want. If you zoom out a little bit, you'll see the dam, the lake. The big lake in Khao Sok is right there. So we're basically just on the southeastern corner of the lake. It's now 6:30 in the morning. So the sun is coming up. Of course Jan is sleeping. And we need to get some breakfast and just enjoy the morning here. There's not as much water in this little river as I thought there would be, but it hasn't been raining a lot the last probably 2 weeks time. A little bit, but not as much as it normally is in monsoon season, so that's probably why it's so quiet. But they actually do deliver breakfast at this homestay, which is in 28 minutes. So I was hoping for a little dip, but there's not enough water for that. So I'm gonna have to shower in the van, which is fine. So let's get ready. Now while Jan is getting ready, I'm just gonna catch up on a bit of urgent work. What do we have here?
I'm just gonna describe what they are because I don't think they are a name in English. Well, we have an egg, boiled egg, banana. This is steamed sticky rice with coconut milk and banana. This is just like tapioca, like flour, like sticky flour.
Okay.
And this one is sticky flour balls, and inside is like munch up coconut bits and palm sugar.
Okay. Which one are we trying first?
You know what? I'm gonna make myself a coffee first.
Which one should I try? This one?
Yeah. You have it with coconut. Ours is really plain.
Just a little jelly. I like magma.
I'm not sure how hot it is.
It's really good.
It's good. I
like that.
This is one of my favorite Thai desserts.
What's in it?
It's just like rice flour.
It's amazing.
But usually you have it with coconut shredded, like fresh shredded coconuts on top.
It's really good. I rate this. This is blue coconutty thingy. What was this? Where does this blue color come from?
It's from a flour called anchan. Have the whole thing.
Oh.
Shredded coconut and palm sugar.
Wow.
That's also very popular.
And this one?
That one is my dad's favorite.
You're not really trying to sell this one.
It's not my favorite, but it's one of the most famous ones.
Is it?
Yeah. We've had it.
So I unpack it, right?
Yeah. Sticky rice.
Yeah.
And coconut. With banana inside.
Is that banana?
With beans.
Wow.
But you fry the sticky rice with coconut. And then you steam it. My mom makes it soften.
I need to learn how to love it. I mean, it's really good, but I need to learn how to love that sort of texture. And no, we don't have macros on this. Okay, work done. At least what has to be done right now. Let's see what Jan is up to. So we just ran the calculations on the time to the Dunsak Pier, which we have to get to the islands, and we actually have to leave right now. So finishing the coffee, packing the car, and we shall hit the road. Okay, that was Speedy Gonzalez packing up. Thank you, Toh Tao Homestay.
Toh Tao.
Toh Tao. It's been lovely.
Oh no, we don't need another warfare at the door.
We are currently 4 minutes out.